This chart is for GBPUSD and for H4 time frame. From this chart, if we're making a trend line here, this is the trend line. It's a horizontal resistance area. So this is the point for 200 EMA act as a dynamic support. 200 EMA trend line act as a resistance. 200 EMA is act as a dynamic resistance. 200 EMA and trend line also act as a resistance level, and this support area now act as a resistance area. And overall, this market is downtrend market because 200 EMA is above the current market. So this is the point to making sell from here. This is the selling point, and that's the selling area, sell area. So we can wait for breakout this. So it's sell stop. And our stop loss, this is our stop loss. Our target after this level. After this level, it is our target. We can make target here also. So stop loss is very small, but target is very high. In this case, we can take entry without any tension.